So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Translate on PC. Google Translate on PC. So it's very easy. You make sure you have a Google Chrome on your system, just like I have mine opened right now. Then you go to this box over here where it's saying Google Apps. You click on it, then you can trace where the translate is. This is it. You can see the translate. Then you click on it, and it opens. So now you are on the Google Translate website. Yeah, so it depends on the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. So take for example, I'm translating from English. So this side, the left hand side is for the language you're actually speaking or you want to translate from, while your right side is for the language you're translating to. So you can easily take, for example, you want to search for the language, you just click on here from. So I'm using English. So I click English to I'll translate to Spanish, although Spanish is already selected. Just let's go for French. Then you search for French. So there's French. So it depends on your kind of French. Is it the French for France or the French for Canada? I'm going to French for France. So here on this side, on your left side, you now type whatever you want to translate. Take for example, let's type hello. Then translate it to bonjour. So if you want to listen to it, like you want to get the pronunciation of the word, you can easily use click on the audio sign showing here that says listen.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. I will say bonjour. So you can let's try something again. Hello, beautiful lady. So let's listen to it.
Bonjour, belle dame.
Bonjour, belle dame. So very easy to use. Thank you.